Come on. Oh, you're showing them? You gotta tell them what you're doing, my baby boy.
I'm at Toys R Us. On the back of Toys R Us.
On the back side.
On the back side of Toys R Us. You looking around?
Seeing if we see any leftover toys.
There's just some trash and stuff. Cold out here.
It's
Some
cold.
people might be riding up there.
Yeah.
It's like a down line and an up line.
Oh yeah, they've been writing on the wall.
Side of the toy.
It's cold, ain't it?
Oh, there's a big dump.
What? That's the compactor. That's where they would put their trash and crush it all up.
Hold on. What's that?
Yeah, all the bad toys, all the old toys. It's cold, huh? We gotta go. I didn't think we were gonna be walking around, my baby boy.
Let's go home.
I told you it was cold out here. Whew. I'll race you. Ready? I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I say it so fast. I say it so fast. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you to the car. I'm gonna beat you. What's that? What's that? You found some toys? You found some toys, my baby boy.
I don't want to take them long. I don't want them to go away.
Okay. You gonna take them with you? Hey, they're probably cold. You gotta get in the car. Woo, it's cold. Here's the toy. It feels good in here, don't it?
It also
Woo. I love you.